Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced, which is the star of our dish. For the creamy base, choose between mayonnaise or Greek yogurt depending on your preference. Don't forget the crunch. Finely chopped celery and red onion are essential for texture and a subtle bite. Finally, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a hint of Dijon mustard to elevate the flavors. Now, let's get to mixing your delicious chicken salad. It's crucial to ensure your cooked chicken is completely cooled before combining it with other ingredients. This prevents the mayonnaise from separating. Take your time to finely dice the celery and red onion, aiming for consistent pieces for an even texture throughout. Gently combine the chicken, creamy base, and vegetables in a large mixing bowl. Stir until everything is well incorporated. Then taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or pepper. Once you have the basic chicken salad down, it's fun to experiment with different flavor twists. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding about 1/2 cup of halved red grapes or dried cranberries. If you enjoy a nutty crunch, incorporate 1/4 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. Fresh herbs, such as 2 tablespoons of chopped dill or parsley, can really brighten the flavor profile. And for an extra layer of freshness, a squeeze of juice from 1/2 a lemon works wonders. Finally, let's talk about serving and storing your homemade chicken salad. This versatile dish is best served chilled. You can enjoy it on your favorite bread for a classic sandwich, with crackers for a quick snack, or in crisp lettuce wraps for a lighter option. For an appealing presentation, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika. To maintain its freshness, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain delicious for 3 to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.